Hi guys, good morning and good evening. Can you hear me? So this is Bhaskar Jogi from goonlinetrainings.com. I'm having almost 25 years of experience in the IT industry. Anybody wanted to get into IT sector, or anybody wanted to switch from non-IT to IT, or if you wanted to switch from uh, you know co- mainframe or supporting roles or testing roles. From that, if you wanted to get into data analytics, data engineering, what is the roadmap? So we are coming in a closure in this year, and we are planning to start next year. So in the next 5 years, you have a lot of opportunities for the data analytics plus data engineering, especially Azure data engineering is booming now, and it is also called as a big data engineering. More into SQL and less into Python. So many people think that I need to know a lot of coding to get into Azure data engineering or data engineering. Data engineering is all about data with the SQL. So IT industry is going towards no data today, and anybody can get into data analytics and data engineering roles, especially cloud data engineering using Azure or AWS or the GCP. These are the better platforms for the IT or non-IT people to get into IT sector, guys. If you give daily minimum 2 hours of time, and if you learn in depth of SQL and basic at least 10-20 hours of Python, if you know, you can easily get into data analytics and data engineering. So there is a new concept called Microsoft Data, Fabric, Microsoft Fabric engineer roles are getting launched into the IT industry, which needs Power BI skills as well as your data engineering skills, right? So anybody who are looking for data engineering roles, or anybody wanted to switch from IT sector to IT sector, basically from earning less salary people, or stuck in the same career and no growth at all, no upskilling is happening. So definitely you're in the wrong area. So what I strongly recommend is that you need to upgrade your skills, or you want to master your skills. Many people think that what is that I should learn today, right? What is that I should learn today? So, and definitely I strongly recommend that people have to come forward and don't worry about recessions, don't worry about anything, simply upskill yourself, right? So we are here to help you for upskilling process daily. Minimum, at least if you give 2 hours, 1 hour of live class you need to attend, either data analytics or data engineering or big data engineering, and another 1 hour if you practice, right? And 5 hours, 5 days into 2 hours per day, 10 hours if you give me for next 6 months of time, definitely you can create beautiful opportunities in the IT industry. IT industry is booming in India. Again, after the recession, we have a lot many opportunities because everybody is talking about GCCs. Next 5 years, we are having at least 30 to 40 lakhs jobs are going to be created using AI and ML. Clear? So definitely, AI ML needs a large amount of data. The data is going to be stored in the data centers. So recently, we came to know that in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Google data center is getting open. Not only that, worldwide, lot of data being stored, and because this data is being used by two people, one is data analyst, the other one is called AIML folks. So next, 4 or 5 years, data centers are completely occupying lot of space. Data centers, getting ready means data engineers are the people who is going to be putting the data into the data centers, right? People who are learning Azure data engineering or any cloud data engineering will have much more opportunities, guys. Okay. So can we get data engineering job within 3 months if I lost current job? See, Vinod, I have roughly the idea minimum you need to have 6 months of knowledge. And even though you put daily 10 hours of effort, I strongly recommend that it will take a minimum 4 to 6 months. So if you want to get into data engineering, so today I have launched a fresh data engineering batch morning 7 o'clock. So if you wanted to attend it tomorrow, it is a free demo. You can attend tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You can just ping me on this number, Vinod, so that I will be able to give you the online batch link. You can tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. tomorrow, you will be able to join. Okay, Vinod. So data engineering, you have SQL. That is step number one. Second one, Python basics you need to know. SQL, at least 40, 50 hours of syllabus is needed for the data engineer. So I'm going to be covering in depth of SQL and basics of Python, because Python we don't need much. So 10, 20 years of Python is needed. So these two, then you need to have one cloud. So you can take Azure or AWS or GCP, but data engineering is more, demanding now in Azure platform. So we are going to be learning Azure fundamentals, Linux commands, and one, data ingestion tool, that is ADF, right? Azure Data Factory we are going to be learning. That is no coding, low coding software, plus Apache Spark, PySpark, Databricks we are going to be learning. That will be another 2 to 3 months. Put together SQL Server, Python, and ADF, ADB, Azure Databricks, Data Factory, Synapses, and data warehousing concept, and two projects we are going to be offering. Put together, it will take 4 to 6 months to complete it. So daily recording videos also we're going to be providing for the busy people. If you miss any one live class, you should not be worried about it. Okay. So fresh batches started today. If you're interested in data engineering, you can call me on this 991 and definitely I will be able to help you guys. Is it okay, Vinod? So definitely people have to have the new technologies. Many people are worried, what is that course I should learn? I am into sales background, or I'm into teaching background, or I'm a housewife for 5 10 years. My qualification is MTech, BTech, or I was completely into pharma industry. Nothing worries, right? So you need to choose one proper mentor, so that under his guidance you can choose the lightweight courses. I can strongly recommend data analytics will be lightweight, but data analytics plus data engineering, a bigger opportunity is getting created. This is Microsoft Fabric, it is called. So I have given you the complete roadmap in my Go Online Trainings YouTube channel about my data engineering videos. You can find my data analytics videos. You can find. So I'm having almost 25 years of experience, so that people can easily learn. Because if you see the feedback, they got it over 1,000 people. It is 4.8 rating on data analytics, data engineering. So without having a proper mentor, you cannot get into nowhere, right? Always I say that if you wanted to reduce your weight, you see thousands of YouTube videos, but by watching those videos, you get nothing. But at the same time, if you see Mahesh Babu or Prabhas, they have a proper mentors, or Tarak. So if they wanted to reduce the weight, they follow the mentors or the gurus. So you will see the beautiful results. But when you follow a YouTube content, 100% you cannot believe it, right? So you can choose one mentor from the YouTube and talk to them and stick to them and be with them. So don't go into the free material, or don't learn 100 rupees 300 rupees courses. Nothing can happen to you guys. Many people, what they do, they'll waste their time. I have people coming from a non-IT background. Recently I told one guy from BPO industry from TCS. So he was having 5 years into BPO, and he was worried because the last 3 years recession is going on. He could not come out working for a BPO, and he does not know what to do. He joined in the month of May in our training. Now he got three offer letters. Now in the current month only, he joined EY with 15 lakh salary package. 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs we're talking about, right? So that is a jump. So people are having 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. That is a jump people are having. But he told me, sir, there are 40 people attended HCL Technologies interview. Out of 40 people, the only two guys or three guys got, cleared the interview. I was one of them. So with our content, people are able to crack. He was completely from the mechanical background, right? So he says that without having a proper mentoring, we cannot do only self-learning. Self-learning where you don't know which one to stress or which one to stretch and which one to give more time, or where is that we need to stop. Much clarity will not be there for the your own preparation. You may fail. You may think that always I'm having a career gap. That is the reason I'm not able to get into IT. Or people may say that I don't have the PF account, or I'm a non-IT guy, BCom guy, or MBA guy. I'm having a lot of backlogs. So can I, I have completed the backlogs afterwards. Can I get into IT sector? Yeah, anybody can get into IT sector. So what is the technology that you should choose? If you ask me, any course that is related to data and related to the cloud. If you have a cloud in it and a data in it, you can easily go and choose data analytics, data engineering, or even data science or AI and ML. But data science, AI, ML is more complicated. So at least start with the data analytics or data engineering using cloud Azure, so that you will get much more opportunities, guys. Okay. So you if you wanted to watch my YouTube videos are available. What is data analytics? Three demos are available: part number one, part number two, part number three. You just continuously watch data analytics demos. Or if you wanted to learn data engineering, I kept a lot of demos, free classes on data engineering. Watch what is data engineering, what is a cloud, right? All these things I have clearly explained, easy manner. A non-IT guy can understand what is the data analytics means, what is the data engineering means. So this kind of a things I have explained in my YouTube channel. You can subscribe Go Online Trainings YouTube channel, so that you will be able to get the latest content. I trained more than lakh of students all over the world. So people from US, UK, many times they said, "Sir, I have unnecessarily joined some other institutions. After that, I came to know about your teaching. So today I'm here and I'm learning a lot. And initially, I was completely wasting my time." So recently, Mohit from Chandigarh got into IT. He was from BCom 2019 and a 2021 MBA guy. That guy, paid 70,000 rupees in Pune, and he got cheated. People are not, teaching at all. So very basics they are teaching. Then he thought that, I got cheated. Again, he was looking out for the, data analytics course using Power BI. Again, he met me online. Then this time he was worried more, because first time I paid 70,000 rupees. 70 is not a big amount. But if I again pay the amount, what will happen? So I spoke to him. He called me many times that this is what has happened. I don't want to lose money and the time. And so that's what he told him. I told that it is not about money. It is completely about the teacher or the training. So he got the training. And again, month of April, he got 14.7 lakhs package. He put 3 years of experience and is able to crack the interview. So this is how people are able to get into IT sector and getting to the the IT industry. But only thing is that people need to have proper mentor. Instead of learning courses, see, courses you have thousands of courses, but always you choose some proper mentor. Under this, you will be able to develop a lot, right? So you have a lot of movie stories, but sometimes only the some movies only will hit because of, not because of story, because of the mentor. If you see Rajamouli, his stories are not very great stories, but if you see the way he is narrating the story, or the taking the approach, so that will create a lot of hit formula. So many people think that always, if I have a good story, I can take a movie. Instead of that, if I choose a course, can I get into IT industry? Answer is no. Choosing course is completely wrong idea. Choosing the proper guru mentor is the right idea. Clear? So that is what I strongly recommend, guys. If anybody wanted to learn data analytics, data engineering, that is big data engineering using Azure, or AI and ML, data oriented technologies. If you wanted to learn, get in touch with us, and I'm giving my number 9919919452, and you can see our rating in Google reviews. Out of 1,000 people, there are 4.8 rating. So you can just watch those uh, Google reviews also. If you have any question directly, call me on this number so that I will be able to help you regarding your classes, okay, or doubts or career, issues if you have. So only thing is that you need to have patience, and slow and steady wins the race. Always I say, if you wanted to play, a one-day cricket match, you need to have a mentor. But if you wanted to play a gully cricket, so you d- do not need any mentor. So decide first, I wanted to play one-day cricket match or gully cricket match. So gully cricket match means there is no mentor. You can, do whatever you would like to do. But I wanted to play bigger game in my life. And I can see, if you live at least for 60 to 70 years, if you give me 6 months of your time, you can play bigger matches with the proper mentor. So proven expertise. I am always having, passion to teach, and more success stories you can see in my goonlinetrainings.com. Lot of people jumping from non-IT to IT, or less earning people. People after 10 years of experience, uh, getting 10 lakhs after 10 years, they're still drawing 10 lakhs in companies like TCS, companies like Wipro. Company name is bigger, but after 10 years they're still drawing 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs. Means, what is the problem? Is the problem of Wipro? No, 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 no. Is it a problem of TCS? No, no, no. It is a problem of yourself, right? You are not upgrading the skills, you're not upskilling anything, saying, thinking that recession is going on, people are losing opportunities, AI is eating the jobs. See, if you tell me AI is lesser than human intelligence, right? Human intelligence is more powerful, but are we giving proper training to the human intelligence? No, we are worried about artificial intelligence, but I strongly say human intelligence is more powerful than artificial intelligence. But why are we not training our human brains? Always say, I'm a BCom guy, I'm a botany zoology guy, I'm a non-IT guy. Who told you you're a non-IT guy? If you learn, if you work for 1 year in non-IT, you're a non-IT. But you work for IT for, you learn courses for 1 or 2 years, so nobody can stop you, right? So people are always branding unnecessarily, and they are not learning. Always they say recession is going on. My friend told me, why, friend has to teach? Everybody is saying like that only. But if you worried about the recession, and if you're worried about AI, you need to do something, right? People are talking about we are getting 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs packages. But why are you not getting those kind of a packages? What is that missing in you? Completely skill, right? So even today, my students are resigning and upskilling and getting jobs. What will happen? So if you don't upskill, it will, nothing can happen to you. You simply time pass, right? So Pavan is saying, sir, I know PBI, all tricks, SQL and Excel. I have 3.5 years experience. Are these skills enough? See, Pavan, if you see, Microsoft is, moving from data analytics to data engineering, and it is getting combined. Okay. Now, data analytics, Power BI, data engineering is getting combined. There is a course called Microsoft Fabric. Okay. So data analysts have to migrate to data engineering without fail. Next year or next 5 years, you will get a double, triple opportunities as a data engineer. You should know SQL, Python, and Azure Databricks, Data Factory. And I have kept a lot of recorded videos on data engineering. Please watch. Pavan, I think this is the right time for you to get into the data engineering as well. Data analytics, data engineering put together is called Microsoft Fabric. Okay, I'm writing here Microsoft Fabric engineer. You have to be clear. So I strongly recommend you get into my data engineering course if you wanted to upskill. So tomorrow morning 7 o'clock, I'm having a new batch. The batch is started today. One class has got over. The second and the third free classes are going to be there tomorrow, day after tomorrow. If you're interested, you ping me your email ID. It is a free class. Just attend and watch my today's class also. I will give you in the WhatsApp. Just ping me your email ID. If you're interested, you join tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then you can plan. Data engineering will be no coding, low coding. So anybody can learn data engineering with Azure with minimum, daily 2 hours of practice per week. If you put 10 to 12 hours, so next 5 to 6 months of time, you can become a data engineer, Pavan. So strongly get into data engineering. So because what I tell is that every 2 years you need to learn new skill. Already you are having 3.5 years, so it is ready for you. You are already late. Every 2 years you need to learn new skills, Pavan. Clear? So this is the right time you need to upgrade your skills, especially tell you that data engineering. Why data engineering? I'll say, I say it is completely into the data engineering and fabric. So already you know what is that Power BI, right? So MS Fabric is nothing but if you learn data engineering, so already you can learn MS Fabric, right? It will be 6 months course. So data analytics, if you learn data engineering, now Fabric, right? So for 6 months you take it, okay? 6 months you take it so that you will be able to become a fabric engineer, data analyst. So that is the complete duration. Pavan, is it fine? But remember, you should not be thinking that I'll postpone it. So postpone is good, but I strongly recommend, if you don't have a time, at least opt for the video classes. So many people who are working, they don't attend the live classes because for them time is the issue. So they may take the video course whenever they get a time. They will be able to watch the videos and they'll connect with me one to one on this number, so that they can rectify the issues and continue. Lot of people are doing minimum 2 hours, morning 1 hour, evening 1 hour. So for them, attending live classes will be difficult. Even I don't recommend to attend live classes. So such a beautiful content I have created, and a lot of people from non-IT background, mechanical background, or people coming from SAP, mainframe background, testing background, supporting background, they're switching from the full stack to the data engineering role, because a Power BI anyhow easy tool, right? So Power BI I'm not concentrating now for you because already you know Power BI, right? So you can plan for either data engineering, and later you can create a CV with the help of, for me, data engineering plus Power BI put together, fabric engineer. Okay, sure. So does data engineering demanding now, or AI take over data engineering? Very good question, Sirisha. See, AI needs data. Okay, when AI needs data, data engineers gives the data. Clear? So data engineering to exist in the world, AI needs, artificial intelligence needs large amount of data. So data will be provided by data engineers, right? So AI cannot take the data on its own. So one technology that AI cannot overtake means that is data engineering. So with the help of data engineers, AI is going to be working. Clear? It is not AI or data engineer. Sirisha, is it clear? Even though AI is there, AI needs a data. Who's going to be providing data to AI? Data engineering team, right? So why data centers are getting opened in India or worldwide? Because without data, AI will not work. So if you see in India, next 5 years, 30 to 40 lakhs jobs are getting created only on AI. But if that many people are working only in AI, I mean, think about how much of a data we need to supply to the AI, so much of a data we need to store in data centers. So all these things will be done by data engineers. So what you can say, data engineering cannot be replaced, because so without a data engineering, AI cannot exist. Clear? So remember that. So you need to get into data engineering roles, and if you wanted to, and I'm giving a lot of free classes on data engineering. Free demos are available. Just watch them and ask me any questions if you have. I have given my number also, so that anybody can call me after the live class, so that I can clarify your doubts. My direct number is 9919919452, guys. Okay. Chalo, Girish. Hi, sir. Yeah, tell me, Girish. So, Sirisha, am I clear? Very good. So people have to upskill. Many people do not know what to upskill. They will be learning DevOps, they'll be learning some DBA, admin activities, this one, that one. Afterwards, they'll say, "Sir, I don't know which course to upskill." You talk to the people first. You don't, decide the course on your own. My friend told me, my brother told me. See, friend and brother is not your mentors. First, remember that. My Anil told me, my papa told me, all these guys are your not mentors, right? See, Chiranjeevi is there in movie industry, cinema industry for more than 50 years. But Chiranjeevi identified Rajamouli or Puri Jagannath as their mentors, right? So, if the Chiranjeevi says, I will only direct because I am in the movie industry for 50 years, what will happen to Triple R movie or any movie? Clear? So, that is very, very important. Girish, sir, I am your old student and I want to join the data engineering course. Girish, can you ping me on my WhatsApp number 991 so 9452? You will be able to get the link today. So tomorrow morning 7 o'clock you need to start. Okay, tomorrow will be the second demo. You can start. So it will be free demo. Tomorrow AM free demo you can attend. Okay. Sure, just ping me your email ID. I will give you that. So Kalyan is asking, sir, I am Kalyan. I am studying MCA from Enter 46%. Can I get soft? Yeah, yeah. See, my own brother completed his BTech, almost, he took 5 years extra. 8 years he completed. He's a BTech. Now he's working for Accenture company as a team lead. Doesn't matter. 46%, 36% doesn't matter. So only thing is that you need to have skills, right? So Kalyan, you should not be worried about it. So get in touch and see my lot of free SQL knowledge is available in my go to YouTube channel. Kalyan, just watch and try to understand SQL because SQL is giving you a lot of opportunities nowadays, right? SQL, especially with Azure and a lot of other job opportunities getting. So there is a free content in the YouTube about SQL. Just watch. So read about data analytics. Free content is available. See lot of data engineering content is also available, and data warehousing content is available free in my channel. Go online training channel. Just watch so you can understand better things and the practical things I have taught. Right. So you can see lakhs of people are still watching and they are also understanding the content. I strongly recommend. So don't go for any here and there. Just watch continuously with one mentor classes. SQL Server I told you, data warehousing I told you, and ETL concepts I kept it. In data analytics, data engineering, lot of free content is available. Just watch and try to write the notes. And if you have proper knowledge, then if you need anything else, you can call me on my number so that I can guide you. Yeah, am I clear? Very good. Hi, Bhaskar. It's Michael Angelo. I want, what is that? So AI ML with you. Definitely, we are next week. We are having AI ML batch. So you just ping me on my number so that I will be able to give you the details. Okay, AI ML. Okay, so that is for sure. Okay. Okay, so you just ping me. I will be able to send you the meeting request so that you can call. I think after 3 days we are going to be starting AI and ML. So Sai Wiki, data engineering is the best course. Sorry, data engineering is the number one course because AI ML needs a lot of data. Who's going to provide the data to the AI? Because many people are going to say you need to train the model with the data. That is what people will say, right? So they build a AI model. Then they say you need to train the model with the data. Who's going to be giving the data? Data centers. But who's going to be putting the data in the data centers? Data engineering team. Clear? So without data engineers, AI ML will not work. People have to realize. So AI ML you need not learn. You can learn AI ML also, but data engineering also will give you lot of opportunities. My students in India, data analyst to data engineering, they have migrated. They're earning 60, 70 lakhs in Hyderabad itself. Clear? Very good. And I have 4 years of career gap candidate, which course suitable for me? Data analytics or Azure. See, end of the day, you choose any course. If you have a gap, there is a gap that we cannot do anything, right? But what you can do, you need to learn one course. Okay. So data analytics or data engineering, if you ask me, if you love coding, I strongly recommend data engineering. Not very much coding, little bit SQL coding. If you love coding, data engineering, 6 months syllabus it is. You can watch my videos in the YouTube. If you don't like coding, you can opt for 3 months data analytics. I'm going to be starting new batch on December 1st morning, 8 o'clock data analytics. You can call me. I have given the number already so that you can watch both of the demos and you can decide. Free demos are already kept in my channel. Watch and get back to me. Okay? Nani Yadav. Okay, sir. I'm working in KYZ. Okay, Geeta is talking myself. Geeta, BSc complete in 2020. Geeta, I'm working in KYZ analyst in HS Bank. I think Geeta, you should come out of that and learn data analytics or data engineering. So you don't get bigger packages. I have people coming from ICICI Bank working for 10 years and their salary was only 6 lakhs per annum. Now those guys from BCom MBA background from ICICI Bank, HSBC Bank, they migrated to data analytics. Now they're getting almost 18-20 lakhs. They kept only 3 years of Koshoki experience as a Power BI developer or data analytics developer. So you can showcase only last 2 3 years. You can just talk to me one to one. I can give you the complete guidance, Geeta. Is it okay? So you know my number, right? So 991 Just take the number and ping me. Talk to me after the live so that I can give you the proper knowledge. Okay. Clear. So Geeta, Sangeeta are two different people, is it? Okay. That's fine. So myself, Geeta, BSc complete in 2020. Geeta, you can opt for data analytics. Talk to me, and I have given my number. Even Sangeeta, I'm working for the KYs. You can also better jump into IT sector with the data analytics. Yeah, am I clear? Sure. And will it be help me for any form? Who's that? Sangeeta, it will be whatever be the the career that you're having. Data analytics is going to be booming. It will give you lot of opportunities for you. You can definitely considering data analytics, Sangeeta. Am I clear? Hello, sir. Shreyas. So, does year gap any graduation will affect getting job? No, at all. So, people are having 2 years gap, 3 years gap. I'll get people from 2012 passed out, 2009 passed out, 2011 passed out, 2015 passed out. They are appearing for a lot of groups jobs and government jobs. They have completed 10 years of a gap, 8 years of a gap. Now after that you learn one technology and get into level 3 level 4 company with some documents, because if you go for the bigger companies there's a background verification, you will get caught. So you can go for smaller company, work for some 2 3 years or 2 years there, 1 year there, and get into the bigger companies with the bigger packages. And small companies also, CMM level 3 level 4 companies also giving you awesome packages. One of my student got a 20 lakhs package, 2015 passed out, he never worked for anything. And with the 3 years of documentation, he got into very bigger package. And at the time of resigning, they were forcing him to stay back because of the knowledge he gained from the course. Right? So it is important that knowledge, nothing else matters. Chalo guys. Anything else? Very good, very good. Any questions anyone has? I have given my number. So anybody, especially career guidance, you talk to the mentors. You need not join any course blindly. Don't do that. Okay. You talk to the mentors, see their videos and see their ratings, and listen to that recorded demo videos in the YouTube. Lot of circus you need to do and get ready and try to join one course. Clear? So Kalyan is saying, sir, how much percentage of jobs for the data analytics? See, it is not percentage of jobs. You can go to Google today, go to naukri.com and look for data analytics. Minimum 10,000 jobs are available today. Just go there and verify in naukri.com. You will get a minimum 10,000 plus jobs are available. But how many jobs you need it? One job. Clear? So definitely it is going to be always important that knowledge. Hey Kaushik, how are you, man? So Kaushik is Kaushik Mitra. Hi sir, I blessed to be your disciple. Hey, very good man. So Kaushik Mitra was one of my student. He was working for the call center BPO in Kolkata, and I think BCom graduate. Now he got three offer letters and working for a one bank with 18 lakh salary package, 20,000 rupees per month salary to almost is earning 18 lakh salary package. So that is the Kaushik Mitra. Hey, welcome, Kaushik. So you should be the role model for a lot of people. So who started with the BCom background, 2014 or 15 passed out, right? You are and working for IT company, non-IT company, BPO call center for 4 years. You got stuck, and because of my course now is able to get into IT. More than 2 years now we shifted to IT. How a BCom guy can get into IT? It is because of proper course and proper mentor. So I congratulate Kaushik Mitra for your help, and you should also help others to learn the proper courses and ask them to upskill. Otherwise, they will be earning only 20, 30,000 rupees. And the same dialogue, recession is going on. AI is there, we cannot get a job. Layoffs are going on, right? So that is what people will say. Very good, Kaushik. Thanks for joining. Chalo. Anything else, guys? We have Kaushik Mitra. He just like you. He joined 4 years back, and he got a job. Three offer letters he got Adidas, and lot of very big MNCs he got it with the 30,000 rupees per month income too. Now is almost getting 18 lakhs on BCom guy. In front of you, Kaushik Mitra is there. You can just ping him how he has accomplished. How he is from he was in Kolkata that time and struggling a lot. Every day he used to call me, Bhaskar sir, this is what is the fear. Bhaskar sir, can I get a job? So lot of questions he was having here and there. But after seeing my classes, he joined. He said, "Sir, I think I have taken the proper decision by joining your course. Now he is enjoying his fruits, right? Otherwise, he also say recession is going on. I may become graduate. I cannot learn. AML is going on. So these are the common stories everybody can repeat it. But what is that you're doing for yourself? You need to remember that and continue with the proper mentors. It is not the course. Course anybody can teach, but if you don't have a proper mentor, it is of no use. Okay. Sure. Foundation is sequel. Just follow what Sari is saying. What is it? Religiously. Very good. So it is very, very important that understanding the things from basic level is important. Otherwise, people will say, I will learn SQL in 5 days. What is that this guy will learn? And Power BI in 20 days. What is that this guy is going to do? And Excel, I'm going to be learning that is not at all needed for the Power BI. But people are learning Excel and the SQL I'm teaching for 50 hours and the people are outside teaching only 5 hours. Are you going to give training on Azure, sir? Yes. So, Pratibha, so I'm starting a new batch tomorrow. So, 7 o'clock morning, it is going to be starting tomorrow, 7 a.m. Azure. Okay. It is starting tomorrow. If you wanted to join my free classes, I'm giving my number 9919919452. You will be able to join. Okay. Or I can give the WhatsApp link. You can also directly join in that link so that tomorrow morning 7 o'clock meeting link you can get it. So you can attend free classes. Okay. So ping me. I will give you the number or my team can share. I think Biksha, you can share the number. Okay. Guys, anything else you wanted to have? So data analytics, data engineering, putting it together, we have Microsoft Fabric is getting launched in 2026. Now already Microsoft Fabric engineering is going on. So people will get much of opportunities. What I strongly recommend, don't learn courses. It is of no use at all. Learn, talk to the mentors, connect with the mentor. You choose one course, and for that course, you need to choose a mentor, not even institution, right? If you don't have a good doctor in Apollo Hospital, what is the brand? It gives you nothing, right? If you go to Apollo Hospital tomorrow and there is no proper doctor, what is the brand can do for you? End of the day, doctor has to do something for you, right? If there is no proper mentor, proper guru, and simply you're going and buying courses from bigger brand and upgrade this one, that one, people will say. But basic teaching, you're paying 1 lakh, 2 lakh, that is of nothing. You're wasting your money. Don't go for bigger brand. Talk to the people, watch their videos, and see the Google reviews and the free demos you attend. Then you take the decisions. Am I clear? So that is what I can say. Anything else, guys? So if you wanted to, if you have any questions, you can just ping me. I can give you career guidance, and I can also tell you right path, because many people do not know what to upskill, where to upskill, and how to upskill, how many projects they need to keep, or they may be having a career gap, right? So all these things they'll be worrying in their mind instead of proper guidance. So many people will say, "Sir, I did not get a proper guidance." Excellent, that is 100%. People will not give you. If you're a friend, you're asking, he is not the good guru or the mentor to guide you, right? You need to ask the proper gurus and talk to them and be with them, right? So Bala is saying hi, sir. Any other questions you have, guys? So data engineering is number one using Azure. You need to know one cloud, but Azure is the number one worldwide data engineering stack. Azure data engineering or data engineering cannot be replaced by AI. Remember that. One skill that cannot be replaced by AI ML means it is Azure or any data engineering, right? Low coding and no coding, you better learn. Okay. So Ashish is saying, sir, I have 7 years of experience in sales. Okay, Ashish. Now you can get into a data analytics. Okay, data analytics we are going to be starting. I think Ashish. So sales guys can choose data analytics. Now you can go and attend my data analytics free courses. New course is going to be happening December 1st at morning 8 a.m. I'm going to be starting a new batch online. So anybody wanted to attend data analytics, you can attend. Just ping me in this number. I will be able to give you my link. What the meeting link I can give you. Okay. So truth or fact, sir, I'm non-IT guy, want to shift my career into AI agents career. Please guide me what technologies I need to learn, and as it is now code or no code. So, agentic AI is completely, there are two things in agentic AI. Either you can go as a developer, you need to write the code, or already some models are built that you can use. So non-coding activity. Okay. If you want to create one more agent, then you need to write the coding, right? Otherwise, you can use the agents and automate. So just talk to me on the number so that I can give you the complete roadmap. Okay. So agent AI is already models are available. You're going to be using those, and you can do without coding lot of activities. Okay. So I can help you with that. Just ping me after the class. Very nice. Guys, anything else you wanted to ask? See, how many days will it take to complete a full course Azure? See, Pratibha, if it is Azure course, it will take 6 months. Daily 2 hours of practice is needed. And Saturday, Sunday, we don't have any classes. Monday to Friday, even though you miss one class, daily recording videos I'm going to be giving. So you can watch the videos, write the note. 6 months time minimum you need to keep for the data engineering. Data analytics, 3 months time. Daily 2 hours. Okay. So tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, data engineering, the new batch is started today. So tomorrow morning, anybody wanted to, attend data engineering, so ping me in this. So 7 a.m. tomorrow, guys. Just ping me. I will give you the meeting ID to attend. It is a free class, free demo. You watch 3-4 classes. If you're able to understand, proceed. Else, you switch to data analytics also. Data analytics is going to be starting from December 1st morning, 8 a.m. IST. Okay. So, chalo guys, any questions? So, if you don't have any questions, I'll stop this live so we can continue later, guys. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Either you can call me or you can reach my office number 75637. This is my office. Yeah, 90000 75637 is the number. So anybody wanted to talk to me, so I can give my direct number also, Bhaskar Jogi direct number. So that is what I can give you guys. So hope it will be helping you take the proper decisions, not in a hurry. Don't waste your time and energy. This decision time only utilize it and get into IT sector. Nothing to hurry and nothing to worry, right? So only upskilling is important. Every 2 years, remember, right? Remember this. Every 2 years you need to upskill. If you're learning some course today, if you're getting a job today, means every 2 years you need to ask one question: what is the course I should learn today? Do you have any mentor? Call them. Sir, my name is Ganesh. I have learned the course. I wanted to get into, learn new course. Is there a new course I should, learn today? You ask me so that after 2 years I can guide you. Okay? Chalo guys. Hi Shiva. Hi sir Shiva. Tell me, what is the question? Shiva, you have anything? Okay. So end of the day, many people are losing opportunities. It is not because of they're not intelligent. Intelligent people also will get fooled. If you don't have a proper mentor, and you will get fooled or misguided, right? So I strongly recommend 40%, 50% marks who are getting, those people with the proper mentor help, they're able to achieve bigger opportunities. But the people are cracking 80, 90% marks without mentor. They're simply in the at the houses only. They say my son is intelligent, daughter is intelligent. They're not able to settle, means they don't have a mentors. Clear? Don't choose course, choose mentor. Don't focus on the courses, build skills with the proper mentors. Chalo guys.